How to change LinkedIn app language. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I am showing that how to change LinkedIn language. First of all, open the LinkedIn app. Now click on the profile icon. In the last you can see setting option, click on it. Now go to the first option, account preference. In the account preference you can see language option in general preference. Click on the language and tap on change. Click on continue and you can see all language you want to change, and click on English India, and that's it. The language will turn into English India. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.